Salut tout le monde, c'est Inax, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve sur Gridfall pour continuer notre aventure. Donc au niveau des quêtes, les contrats on les avait finis. Les quêtes annexes, il y a toujours l'exploration de la map et sur les traces du professeur. Donc il m'en reste une, deux, trois, quatre. Il m'en reste quatre. On verra si c'est dans les prochaines régions ou pas. Niveau des quêtes, on avait la quête principale seulement. Et je me suis rendu compte que notre dernière venue pouvait me filer une quête. Donc on va voir ce qu'elle veut.
Desade, I'd like to discuss something with you.
I'm listening.
My colleagues are only interested in the physiology of the islanders and consider everything else to be superstitions. However, if we want to understand how they are transforming, we need to take a look at their culture. The potions they drink, the dyes they use are surely the source of their physical changes.
Why not talk about it with Siora? It seems to me that she would be the best one to help you.
Seora is very suspicious of me. She will never betray the secrets of the Doneigada. But I was told about a place of ritual called Kurganau, decorated with carvings and offerings. By studying them, I hope to better understand what is possibly the greatest mystery of this century. But they call it a dangerous place and I cannot go alone. Will you accompany me?
Ben oui, pourquoi pas. Accompagner Afra.
Very well. Understanding these transformations will surely be useful.
Thank you, Desade. I knew I could count on you. Let's go.
Donc bien évidemment, il va falloir enlever quelqu'un. On va retirer Vasco. Et on va faire ça comme ça. Donc du coup, on va sortir de cette petite instance. Niveau poids, on est bon. Normalement, je crois que j'arrive chez moi. Exact. Et on va voir où on doit aller. Donc c'est ici. Et c'est là où est la quête principale. On va voir ça tout de suite. Non. On n'y était pas. Les lieux ont l'air assez petits. Les lieux ont l'air assez petits. Donc ben écoutez, on se rejoint dès que je serai arrivé à destination. Je vous dis à tout de suite. Donc du coup, on va aller la rencontrer. Vaincre les bêtes. Aucun problème. Ou presque. Ah, il m'a touché une fois, c'est pas bien grave. Ce n'est pas bien grave. Alors.
You were lucky. Without our presence here.
Yes. Blessed be the earth that has brought you to us at this time.
I was touched.
Oui bah ça va, moi aussi j'ai été
I am
touché.
hurt.
J'en
Oh
fais pas
no.
une maladie.
Morian!
These creatures are venomous. If their venom has come into contact with her blood, this young woman does not have long.
And we are too far from the village to seek help. How are we going to save her?
I know a potion that will erase the effects of the venom.
I have a vial of it in my bag. Hold on.
Thank you. Truly the best winds have brought you to us.
Here, drink this.
Don't worry. It'll heal you.
Et là elle tombe raide.
Morian.
On est mal.
What do you feel?
Ah bon ça va.
I feel the pain leaving me.
She is saved. You have great wisdom. May the trees always bear fruits on your journey. You have saved Morian.
It was nothing. I'm glad I could help you.
You are different from other Renaigse. You know the potions. But what were you looking for here?
We came to study this place, the carvings in particular.
This is one of our places of ritual. A place of connection. What do you hope to learn from our carvings?
I seek to understand the mechanisms of your transformations. I think these carvings could help with this.
You seek the secrets of the Donegada. You should speak with Armal.
Yes, his name is Dunkas. He is also our Donegad, and his wisdom is boundless.
Here is someone who should be able to answer all your questions, Afra.
Let us go then. We will have time to discuss on the way.
I have so many questions about this place, about the rituals that take place here.
Ah, on nous TP directement? Ouais, en fait, je me fais niquer encore au niveau des loots, quoi. Ah, bravo.
These Renaixes saved my life.
What happened?
We were meditating at the sacred circle in Kerganau, and we were attacked. Morian was poisoned, and they gave her a potion.
Really? We are not yet used to the Renaixes doing something without expecting something in return. You should go and meditate now. I have to talk to them.
They are different from the others. Oh, I'm sure of it.
I hear your gratitude, Morian. It honors you. Now go. Leave us.
My name is Desardet. I'm the legate of the merchant congregation.
And I am Dunkas, the Marl of the Gigidor, and also his Donegad. Your face markings designate you as one of ours, yet you are a Lugaid Blau. A clan that rarely shows generosity, yet you saved Morian. I thank you for this.
Please, we couldn't let her die without doing anything.
This feeling brings you honor. But what were you doing near our sacred circle in Kerganau?
It was me who led my friends there. I was hoping to study the circle to better understand your culture.
Loyans always want the same thing. They covet our secrets to better steal our land, to better hurt our children.
Calm now. Perhaps this Loyalness is different from the others. Maybe we were wrong about them too.
I'm not trying to conquer your island, let alone hurt anyone. I just want to know.
A noble quest that could perhaps bring peace, but to which I cannot answer alone. I cannot reveal such secrets without seeking advice from the Order Donegada. But in order to thank you for saving one of our daughters, stay with us.
Ah, on va convoquer la communauté de l'anneau. Ça y est.
Maybe by sharing this joyous moment, you will learn something.
We accept your invitation. Isn't that right?
Oh, ça va être un banquet. Oh, c'est bon ça.
Thank you for welcoming us, Dunkas.
Ah, c'est cool. Il va y avoir une fête. Je suis désolé, hein, je fouille un petit peu. Si ça vous dérange pas. J'ai quand même fourni une potion gratuitement. Hein. Je l'ai pas fait payer. Donc,
I'm sorry. You look disappointed.
I did not expect your Donegad to reveal all its secrets to us, but I would have loved to learn more.
Perhaps you should be patient. It takes years to understand the mysteries of the Donegada, and since you are staying with us tonight, it will be an opportunity to continue learning.
That's what I hope.
Thank you for welcoming us tonight. We had a good time.
Yes. It was very enlightening.
Ouais, mais on n'a rien
We
vu.
are glad that you stayed with us. We too have
On
learned
aurait pu
from
danser autour du
Your
feu,
face brims with
brûler
thoughts.
des marshmallows.
Is something wrong?
It's nothing. Probably just tiredness.
you. We should all rest. It has been a long day. May your dreams be wonderful.
Good night.
May the moon watch over your dreams.
Is something wrong?
Dunkas wasn't here tonight, yet he's the one who invited us to stay. I also saw one of the elders sneaking out of the village.
You think they're hiding something from us?
I don't know. But since they don't want to share their knowledge with us, let's try to follow them.
I hope
Ah,
you
voilà.
know what you're doing. We shouldn't get
La
angry with
suspicion
Dunkas.
toujours.
If we remain unseen, everything will be fine. Let's go before we lose their trail.
Ah, bravo quoi. Ah, il y a des quêtes. Il y aura des quêtes à faire ici.
Here they are. Let's try not to be detected.
Ils vont se faire attaquer là? Non? Même pas. Ah, nous par contre, on va se faire attaquer.
Why don't the creatures attack them?
I don't know. Are they guarding this place?
If they're trained to guard it, this must be a very important place.
Bah, nous, on va devoir les fight, hein. Ce n'est pas bien grave. Pas comme si c'était difficile aussi. Elle a envoyé une popo? J'ai l'impression qu'elle a envoyé une potion. On aurait dit un bruit de flacons qu'on lance sur les mobs. C'est par là. Elle est quand même assez grande, hein, la zone. Mais attendez, c'était pas... C'est ici qu'on est allé? J'ai l'impression qu'on a changé de zone. On verra bien. On verra bien.
Shh! I hear something.
We found them. Let's be as discreet as possible.
Ouais, ben... La brume est bizarre. Peut-être qu'ils vont invoquer le dieu aux 1000 visages. Retrouver les anciens. Ouais. Je voudrais passer un petit peu. D'abord sur la droite. Ouh, comment c'est sympa ça.
Forgive us. We did not intend to interrupt you.
Bien fait d'aller à droite, moi. Merde, ils nous ont vus. Non mais ça c'est encore Kurt, ça, il a fait de la merde. Ah, saleté. Quelle idée de porter de la plaque quand on est fufu, quoi. Oui, bon, je vous ai suivi. Ça va, ça va. Pas besoin de s'alarmer non plus.
Why are you here?
We're sorry. We didn't mean to interrupt your conversation.
We need answers, so we followed your elders.
Well,
Et voilà,
since you
moins un.
absolutely want to
Putain de
learn,
bordel.
do as the apprentices do. Take a seat and be quiet. We are here to meditate, to hear the voice of the earth, because the wind has changed.
Close to us, Arwechnis Diri. You were right. Johan is ready. Morion's trial has made her more sensitive.
She is his Minundanem, and he is hers. One cannot progress without the other. She will have to bring him to the Cave of Knowledge. This will be his last trial before creating the bond.
May their path be gentle and shielded. As for me, I hear the call ever louder, Dunkas.
And the day the call is loud enough, you will respond just like each of us. But it's not yet time for you to join in on Nilfritten. So, Afra, are you satisfied with what you saw?
It was informative, although it's not what I expected. Thank you, Dunkus. This meeting was strange. It almost seemed like they really heard voices in the wind.
Maybe it's true.
Some believe so strongly that they end up hearing or seeing what they hope for.
Have you learned what you wanted to?
What they said about these young people we helped out, about the fact they were ready to bind themselves. We have a unique opportunity of seeing a transformation with our very own eyes.
But we can't follow them wherever they go.
No, of course not. I must think on it. Come back and talk to me later.
On est aimable avec Afra. Ouais, mais à cause de toi, on perd de la réputation auprès des natifs. À cause de toi. Je crois que c'est Kurt qui a fait de la merde. Bravo Kurt. Je retiens mon ami. Donc du coup... Donc il faut voyager, on est d'accord. Bon, moi je vais essayer de fouiller un petit peu la zone, vite fait. Et on se rejoint pour cet endroit. Je vous dis à tout de suite. Donc du coup les amis, on nous demande donc d'aller voyager. Ce qui sera largement faisable, bien évidemment. Mais j'ai croisé quelqu'un qui pouvait nous donner une quête. Un natif. Donc on va voir si on peut pas gagner de la réputation.
Thank you for coming to talk to me. You are on Olmanawi, but you also look like a Lugaid Blau.
Lugaid Blau? Is that what you call the congregation?
Yes, those who have yellow eyes on their banner.
They are coins. But to answer your question, yes, I am the legate of the congregation.
Is legate the Renaigse word for on Olmanawi?
No. It means that I am in charge of diplomatic relationships with the other nations.
So I was right. You will be able to help us.
Oui, bah on verra ce que tu demandes déjà.
Are preventing us from accessing one of our sacred glades.
Really? Why would they do that?
Several seasons ago, some men from your clan came to ask us for wood for their houses. There were some old trees in this glade, so we let them do what they wanted. At first, everything was fine. But then they cut down too many trees. So we wanted to heal the place, plant some new trees. But they won't let us come close. Their bod irony, their warriors, are stopping us from doing so.
I could investigate.
Yes, please. You must tell them that they have to let us heal the glade.
Et oui, quand on coupe des arbres, il faut les replanter. Sinon, on est dans la merde. Donc là, il y a un petit point d'interrogation, je sais pas du tout ce que c'est. J'irai le voir en attendant. Et on nous demande de voyager exprès pour ici. Très bien. Donc moi je vous retrouve pour cette quête. Mais j'irai visiter vite fait ce petit coin là juste avant. Je vous retrouve là-bas tout de suite. Donc les amis, nous sommes arrivés donc à Gwenvar. Nouvelle petite région. On doit aller juste ici. Je vais visiter pour découvrir les feux de camp. Et on se rejoint pile poil au niveau de la quête. Donc du coup, je pense qu'on est obligé de rentrer dans le village.
Do not force us to use our weapons.
What's happening here, soldier?
These islanders want to enter a plot of land that belongs to the congregation.
They are denying us access to the glade.
We must heal it. Otherwise, this land will die.
I am sorry, but we cannot let you enter this area.
But we only want to plant some new trees. Bring life back.
These people are fanatics, Your Excellency. Several woodcutters died last night, and I'm willing to bet that these savages had a hand in it.
You are killing the earth, so it kills you in return. All of you are cursed.
Shut it, you savage!
I am de Sardet. I am the legate of the merchant congregation on this island. I came to shed some light on this affair. You said that some woodcutters died.
Aye, they fell sick and died a few hours later. But the camp doctor will be able to tell you more about it. You'll find him in the barracks right here.
Thank you, soldier. I'll go see her.
Please, Your Excellency, you may come in.
Ah, et il tombe malade, et qui c'est qu'on accuse? C'est les sauvages. Mais c'est n'importe quoi. Le médecin. Bonjour.
Hello, Doctor. I'm the legate of the congregation. I was told about the disputes caused by this camp, and a soldier told me that several woodcutters died recently.
Yes. They got sick yesterday afternoon, and a few hours later they were dead. I couldn't do anything except watch them writhing in pain. None of my remedies worked. If seeing corpses doesn't bother you, you can come and see the bodies. They're here. I hope that whatever killed them is not contagious.
Bah en fait, peut-être qu'en fait, elle est super mauvaise en tant que médecin. Si elle a commencé charcutier, c'est pas bon signe. Ouais, on va voir. Hein.
These poor woodcutters look like they've suffered. This one has a swollen tongue, blood at the corners of the mouth.
Bah, il aurait fallu enlever le drap pour voir ça, ma chère petite dame.
There are some peculiar red patches on the bodies. His eyes are bloodshot. This man choked to death.
Ils ont bouffé des mauvais champignons à tous les coups.
A strong smell of ammonia. The entrails must have been perforated.
The appearance of these bodies and the smell emanating from their mouths leaves me in no doubt.
Ah oui, c'est sûr.
They were poisoned. That this doctor could have believed that this was simply an illness is beyond me.
I can't see anything else of interest.
So, what do you think? Do you recognize their disease?
They didn't die of disease. They were poisoned. There's no doubt about it.
You're probably right. But I've heard these savages talking so much about curses, so I thought it must be a mysterious disease, rather than seeing what was before my eyes. But how could these three men be poisoned?
Non mais c'est moi qui dois tout faire en plus. Elle est sérieuse? Oh le médecin de merde. Je lui ai demandé si elle reconnaît le poison. Putain, un minimum.
I'm not sure. Do their symptoms not point to anything?
No. I've never seen such a deadly poison with these symptoms.
Je savais même pas qu'ils étaient empoisonnés à la base. Donc bon. Leur demander qui est entré dans les baraquements.
Have you noticed anyone unusual here?
Unusual? No.
Bah c'est l'un d'eux alors au final. On va insister d'abord.
You don't seem completely sure of yourself. Nobody could have just slipped in.
No, I assure you. The last ones to pass by here were the hunters who delivered us game 2 days ago.
Hunters?
Natives who bring us game regularly in exchange for knickknacks. But they've been restocking us for months. I struggle to believe that they're involved.
Well, let's see what they have to say. Where can I find them?
They usually hunt on the edge of the wood that leads to this camp.
D'accord. Peut-être qu'ils ont empoisonné les...
We do not want to shed
les petites bestioles. Donc du coup, oh ils sont juste là. Ils sont juste là, on va y aller tout de suite. Après ils ont pas l'air d'avoir beaucoup de frigo. Donc pour conserver la viande, c'est un peu la merde. Comment ça, on m'attaque? Complètement ridicule de faire mage direct comme ça. Ah bah faut aller être plus rapide mon vieux.
How can we earn our reward if you hunt our prey?
Se justifier, non, aller droit au but.
We were looking for you.
Us? What do you want from us?
3 woodcutters were poisoned yesterday after eating what you brought them.
Poison? I swear we are not responsible for this.
Charisme. Bon allez, on tente. Vous connaissez ma chance légendaire de toute façon.
Listen, all the clues lead to you, but it may simply have been an accident. How about you tell me exactly what happened?
It was
Ah, j'ai réussi, c'est bon ça.
an accident, but we did not want to kill them either.
Ah,
Then
c'est
tell
eux
me
alors.
how it happened.
We did not decide to do this. We were trading beautiful things with the camp. But the elder said that we would be traitors to our clan if we let the woodcutters cut down all the trees.
Which elder?
One of the old men from Vigigidor, our village. He is very angry because we cannot heal the glade. He gave us the meat of an Andrig killed by a venomous Dosentats. Its flesh is perfectly edible when prepared with certain berries, but without them, eating it would be lethal. And since the Renaigse invaded our forest, these berries are nowhere to be found. He wanted it to be a lesson for them, so that they may understand that their destruction brings death.
I will not hold you responsible, but from now on you will no longer bring meat to this camp. You were the instruments of a hateful old man's vengeance, and I'm under the impression that there will be even more deaths if I do not get to the root of this problem.
This old man is devious. The
Donc,
method he used was very original.
demandez
But
conseil à
now
Monsieur
people have
Courcillon.
died. The woodcutters will want vengeance and things will only get worse.
This whole thing could turn into an open war. We cannot let that happen. Sir de Corsillon will be able to give some advice on how to solve this property conflict without violence.
Enfin, j'espère, oui. Je l'espère. On va aller directement au feu de camp. On va looter d'abord un petit peu des petits bestiaux. Bon, vu que c'est pas des humanoïdes, on n'aura pas de loot au niveau de l'équipement. Mais bon, ça pourra toujours faire des thunes au cas où si on trouve quelque chose d'intéressant. Je commence à avoir le hockey, c'est pas bon. Est-ce que je peux passer finalement? Il me laisse passer ou pas? Oui, carrément. On va juste débloquer un petit feu de camp. Et on se rejoint pour Monsieur Courcillon. Donc il est là, Monsieur Courcillon.
Sir de Corsillon.
Desade, my young student, what can I do for you?
Mon cher ami, parlez des campements.
The mission you entrusted me with has made great progress.
Very well, let's see. Good, you have traveled great distances, and the Terra Incognita will soon be but a distant memory. Keep doing what you're doing, Desade. Can your old professor still prove himself useful?
Donc les campements, ça c'est les feux de camp. On parlera de ça quand on aura fini. Lui parler du conflit concernant la clairière.
I've come to find you because I received a complaint from the natives of the village of Vigigador. They want to be able to access a clearing exploited by our woodcutters in order to heal it. To reforest it, I assume. But our men there say that it belongs to them and are refusing to let the natives enter it. The site was supposedly ceded to them several months ago, but tensions are running high and some men have lost their lives. If we don't intervene, we're heading for a real confrontation.
It is very regrettable, and I approve of your desire to appease this conflict. According to what you have told me, if ever there was a contract, it must have been signed under our former governor. You should go to the archives and verify this. Then go and talk to Lady Laurine de Morange. And of course, I'll be delighted to help you once things have been clarified.
Thank you, Professor. Once more, you've been of great help.
Can your old professor still prove himself useful?
Non, on va aller directement
Looking
aux
forward to
archives.
seeing you again, Sir de Corsilian.
On va aller directement aux archives. Donc, je suppose il faut descendre d'un étage. Déjà. Et il faut redescendre. Très bien. Donc là, on est au niveau où devrait être notre cousin et il n'est pas là. Alors, est-ce qu'il se planque toujours à cause du coup d'état? Il me semblait qu'il était remonté. Faut continuer à descendre. Bah, très bien, on va descendre. On va continuer à descendre. Donc c'est par là. J'imagine. Documents. Ah bah les voilà. D'accord. Il n'y a que la congrégation qui peut aller sur ces terres. Ouais, mais ça va pas partir en guerre ouverte là. Ça va partir en guerre ouverte. Je trouve ça dommage, mais bon, il y a eu un accord, donc... un peu la merde. Bon, on va revoir Monsieur Coursillon. On va voir ce qu'il va nous conseiller. Monsieur Coursillon.
Sir de Corsilian.
Decidez, my young student, what can I do for you?
What do you know about Lady Morange?
Laurine de Morange is a brilliant woman. The work that she has accomplished here is remarkable.
In that case, why did the prince strip her of her governor status?
For political reasons, obviously. Allowing someone so brilliant to govern a distant city for too long is not without risks. She may eventually have whims of independence. What's more, the prince was looking for a position where your cousin could learn his responsibilities. This governor position seemed ideal.
D'accord.
Looking forward to seeing you again, Sir de Corsilian.
Donc c'était pas vraiment à lui. C'était à Miss Lorange. Écoutez, on se retrouve directement chez elle. Ce sera plus court pour vous déjà, vu que je fais que de la merde. Bonjour madame.
Good day, my lady. Happy to see you again in such fine health. How can I be of service?
L'interroger sur le contrat concernant la clairière.
I need you to enlighten me about the property deed of a glade near Vigigador. The natives want to access this place, which according to them is sacred, and which they would like to heal. But some of our men there are using this deed to deny them access to the area. Tensions are running high, and some people have died.
Yes, there was a time when we enacted a lot of contracts. Do you have the document with you?
Yes, here it is.
This cession agreement is only signed with a cross on the native side. Well, writing is foreign to them. As is the notion of land ownership. For them, the earth only belongs to itself.
If they did not possess these lands, how did they cede them?
I doubt they knew what this agreement represented, to be honest.
In that case, why make them sign it?
When we arrived on the island, we had to ensure our access to certain commodities. We also had to make sure that we had legal ownership of the lands we were occupying. The natives dreamed of possessing some baubles that they didn't know how to craft. It was easy to make them sign agreements that they didn't understand by giving them some. I was a stranger to their philosophy then. I only thought about my city, and I regret it.
I'm sure we can fix this mistake.
I hope so, Your Excellency. Come, let's find Sir de Corsilion. Can I help you with any other matter?
Ben, en te
My lady,
dépêchant.
I have to go. Goodbye.
En te dépêchant.
Sir de Corsilion, it's always a pleasure.
Madame, I expect you've come to see me about this regrettable problem concerning a clearing, which my student told me about.
Indeed, and I think I may have a solution that will allow us to solve this conflict peacefully.
I'm listening.
I must admit that I established this at a time when the culture and the mentality of the natives was foreign to me. The clan of this village was rather open to our presence. They welcomed us with benevolence. For this reason, I think we should allow them access to these lands. In doing so, we would appease the tensions, and we would also retain ownership of the wood. We would even benefit from such an agreement if the natives reforest this area. Then we could exploit it for a longer period of time.
I find this decision perfectly viable, and I approve, but several men were killed, and their comrades will seek vengeance if the person or persons responsible do not pay for their crimes.
I am convinced that Dunkus, the chief of this clan, never approved such an action.
I understand, but I will only write a decree allowing people to go to this clearing, provided the murderer is delivered to us.
Thank you, Master. I will inform Dunkus of your decision.
Ça va pas être évident. Bon, on se revoit directement au village. Donc nous voilà de retour au village. J'espère qu'on pourra se mettre d'accord avec Duncan MacLeod.
What brings you here on Almanawi?
Parler du conflit autour de la clairière.
At this old man's request, I investigated the conflict that opposes you and my nation regarding the clearing. You will now be able to access it freely to accomplish your rituals or heal the area, and the congregation will keep exploiting the forest. However, there is one condition to this new agreement. You must deliver this man to us, because he is responsible for the deaths of several woodcutters.
These men died because of their own foolishness. No one else is responsible for their deaths. If they hadn't cut all the oakerberry trees, they would have survived.
What does that mean? What are the two of you talking about?
3 woodcutters died eating the meat of an andrig after it was killed by a venomous dosentats.
It's nothing but a terrible coincidence. And if they had eaten the oakerberries...
We know that you're responsible for all this. The hunters told me everything.
How could you do this? You acted more foolishly than an irascible adolescent. By killing these men, you have brought upon us their wrath. And it is only natural that they should ask for justice.
Dunkus, I beg you. I only wanted the Renoixe to understand the value of the trees they were cutting.
Bloodshed only leads to more bloodshed, and you know that. I would never have thought you capable of doing something so foolish.
If you want to stop the woodcutters taking vengeance into their own hands, you must deliver this man to us.
I understand. But I have one condition before we make this agreement. The Lugaid Blau fooled us in the past. It is their turn to prove their good faith.
What do you want from us?
There is a mine in the forest that the congregation has long operated with help from my people. But digging into the mountain has risked it collapsing. We reinforced the earth with wood. We worked with the Lugaid Blau to save the mountain and the men. We agreed to stop digging and sealed the entrance with a boulder. But some Renaigse came back. and I think they started digging again. And some of my people started going missing. Perhaps because they had seen them break their promise. If the mountain collapses and it is your clan's fault, thousands of lives will be lost.
And you want me to intervene?
You have to stop them. Remind them of their promise. This is the price of my trust. If you do, we punish the person responsible for the death of the woodcutters, and all our quarrels will be gone.
I'll go to this mine and see what's going on.
Is there anything else?
Non, non, pas de
I must
soucis.
leave. Goodbye, Dunkus.
Qua awalum seg.
Donc du coup, déjà, on va sortir. Ça sera fait. Au niveau des quêtes, ça, on s'en fout. Voilà. Se rendre à la mine abandonnée. Faudra proposer notre aide à Afra. Mais on va suivre surtout cette quête-là. Le prix du sang. Très bien. Mais ça sera pour le prochain épisode. Donc je vous invite à liker la vidéo si vous l'avez aimé. Commentez-la pour savoir si vous auriez fait différemment certaines quêtes. Si vous n'êtes pas abonné, je vous invite à le faire si vous voulez continuer à me suivre dans cette aventure. Sur ce, je vous dis à la prochaine.